I haven't even touched it yet, guys. This looks absolutely beautiful. Thin, the tips there. All these artifacts are coming out of the same spot here in the river. I think I stumbled on the... Oh man, it's big. It's in the, I should say it's in the... Oh my. What did I find? Oh my. Oh my. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is so thin and napped. Excellent. I mean, this is thin. Oh my goodness. I cannot believe I found this. What's going on? It's all this section of the bank. Oh my goodness. Look how thin that is. Like razor thin. The napping on this is excellent. The symmetry is excellent. I cannot believe I found this. This is a peaceful spot in the river. It's right at a bend. The gravel bar exposed. This point is so ridiculously thin, and I can't believe that tip is on it.